Been doing a lot of presentations for my bosses, but I think it lacked purpose. You've been a very good lecturer. How you've been engaging us, you can't just get lost.
I've been enlightened on the do's and don'ts of presentation.
I've acquired new skills and tact in terms of presentation and public speaking.
Today actually has been an eye-opener for me in terms of presentation and even public speaking.
I'm fascinated about how we are putting the theories into practice and seeing some of my colleagues boost their confidence through practice.
For me, I would say it has been very educative. This training has been very practical.
I haven't been to soldier training before, but I think this is close to it. What we have been doing, standing, moving, I now understand why you told us that we should come in low heels. The word I'll use is rigorous. Yes, in a good way, actually.
In fact, today's study has been impressive.
I have had a total turnaround of how presentation is like.
I appreciate this lecture and I love it. My one word is inspiring.
I think this training has really helped me and I was more involved. So I would say it was impressive.
I think it's been very practical.
From the start of the program, actually, I was having a different expectation. When we kickstart the program, I realized that, I didn't know much when it comes to presentation. The entire activity or the 2 days is very impactful.
All my colleagues who were not part of this training, I would encourage them to also have this training.
First of all, I would like to thank you for being a good facilitator. The way the interactions and everything went on is very educative.
It's been exciting.
This program has been great.
One word I would say fascinating.
It's been good and very educative, very interactive and very hands-on. So for me, it's D+. It's been super.